Stuck procrastinating? Again? Here's a trick that actually works, the 2-minute rule. Sound too simple? That's the secret. Procrastination hates starting. Inertia is your enemy. Getting going is the real hurdle. So here's the rule. Pick that task you're avoiding. Now make a tiny commitment. Just 2 minutes. Seriously, only 2 minutes. Set a timer if you need to. And just start doing it. Why does this magic work? It short-circuits your resistance. 2 minutes feel easy, manageable, almost trivial. Your brain doesn't fight it. The activation energy drops. Then comes the real power, momentum. Once you start, it's easier to continue. An object in motion tends to stay in motion. But my task takes hours. Apply the rule to the very first step. Goal, read a book. 2-minute version, read 1 page. Goal, go for a run. 2-minute version, put on running shoes. Goal, clean the kitchen. 2-minute version, wipe down 1 counter. It lowers the activation energy, makes starting ridiculously easy. Often you'll keep going, but even if you don't, you still did something. You broke the cycle. Stop waiting for motivation. Start with 2 minutes right now. Pick one thing. Less than 2 minutes? Go.